Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to write a captivating story but struggled to come up with ideas? Or maybe you're looking for a way to take your storytelling skills to the next level. Well, today I'm going to show you how to write a compelling story using Chatgpt. So let's dive in. Step 1. Brainstorm ideas and create an outline. You can begin by providing ChatGPT with a prompt that describes the main idea of your story, such as, I want to write a story about a detective who solves a murder mystery in a small town. ChatGPT will generate ideas for the plot, characters, and settings. After that, you can create an outline based on these ideas to give your story structure and organize your thoughts. Step 2 is to develop your characters using ChatGPT. Give ChatGPT prompts such as, tell me about my protagonist, or what are some personality traits for my villain. ChatGPT will then generate descriptions and characteristics for your characters, helping you bring them to life on the page. Step 3. Write your first drafts with your outline and character developments in place. It's time to start writing your first drafts using ChatGPT. Give ChatGPT a prompt, such as, write a scene where the detective interviews a suspect, or describe the setting of the small town. ChatGPT will then generate text based on your input, helping you flesh out your story and overcome writer's block. Step 4. Refine and edit your story. Once you have a complete first draft, it's time to refine and edit your story. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with new ideas or identify areas that need improvements. For example, you could ask ChatGPT, how can I make my ending more satisfying? Or what are some ways to add more tension to my story? Use ChatGPT responses to refine and polish your story until it's the best it can be. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you can use ChatGPT to write a compelling and engaging story that will capture readers' attention and keep them hooked until the very end. Remember, writing is a process, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. The key is to keep practicing and refining your skills until you become the best writer you can be. So go forth and write your masterpiece. See you guys in the next tutorials, and thank you for watching.